you know, there's still a need for it.
Well, a Ninth Ward homeowner is facing insurance shock. She is torn between getting rid of her community fridge or losing her homeowner's insurance. The company gave her a 2-week timeline to make that choice. WDSU reporter Jonah Gilmore is live at that community fridge. And Jonah, why is the company saying that that fridge is unsafe?
Well, the company is calling it unsafe because they fear someone, specifically a child, could get stuck in this fridge, and the insurance company could be on the hook for a lawsuit.
For the past 2 years, it's been here, been feeding people.
This community fridge at the corner of Elvor and North Roman has been a food source for its neighborhood.
Sometimes it's full, and you see people going by and you know, just getting stuff out of the fridge, putting things in the fridge.
Margie Perez put the fridge on her property 2 years ago at a time when food cost was on the rise.
It's tough right now.
According to Perez, the fridge will soon be gone in 2 weeks. She says she recently got a new insurance company who calls the fridge an attractive hazard, telling her she has to remove it or they will drop her coverage.
I have to do what they say because, I can't be uninsured.
Lee Miller is a licensed insurance agent. He says this type of demand by insurance companies is common.
You've got insurance companies who are really on the defense on trying not to be sued for liability.
He says the primary concern for insurance companies is a child getting into a community fridge and becoming stuck. According to Lee, if that were to happen, the homeowner and the insurance company could be held liable.
That's where the examples have happened, that it's been children who've gotten in them, playing around and gotten stuck in them and not been able to get out.
He says companies also worry about someone eating something out of a community fridge that could be harmful. Perez is now on the clock to get rid of the fridge, hoping someone can put it to use for the good of other people.
Not being able to have that opportunity, it breaks my heart.
Tonight, Perez is hoping someone can come and pick the fridge up, as she will have to cover the cost if it's tossed away. Reporting in the Ninth Ward, Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.